Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Honor 90. And starting with first one is to how you can find your phone when it's lost somewhere in the room. It happens to everybody, you just place your phone and forgot where it is. You can use your Google Assistant to help you find it, and there's actually multiple different methods we can try with that. And the first one is to ask where are you. Next one is to ask to play basically any song, and your phone will make a sound, and that way it will be easy to find it. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
I live here with you. I hope that doesn't mean I have to pay any rent.
Next one is to translate. So when you're traveling a lot, this could be very helpful. You can translate anything from your language into another, and your phone will also speak it out loudly. Let's try it out. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
Next one is to count the calories. If you want to count the calories of your food, you can ask Google for that. Hey Google, how many calories in the burger?
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Next one is to send the message to any person from your contacts list, and you can also say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And the last one is to call somebody also from your contacts list. Hey Google, call my mom.
all right. What's your mother's name?
And again, replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.